necessary necessities. Necessary necessities. Necessary necessities.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you another unit and it is by Red Carpet or Main Concept. That's what we're going to be talking about today. It's the HD 13x7 Limitless unit in the name of Ivy. Okay, so 13x7. And the reason I'm bringing you guys this unit is because this unit can be gotten very, very cheap right now off Ebony Line using their code for around 17 bucks. Okay, and it's a 13x7 frontal. So that's pretty good. If you're a Main Concept fan, you are very, very familiar with the quality of the unit. They haven't been putting out units a lot lately that I know of, but I just went ahead and copped this one. I didn't get it off Ebony Line, but I did look it up online and it was on sale for $20. But you can use the coupon code and get it for $17 and a little change. So this may be something that may interest you. So let's check her out. And this is Miss Ivy, and I have her here in the color 99J. Let me just go ahead and take the net off. I've already taken the liberty, of course, as you can see, of taking the stock card off. Just trying to save time, take out the rest of that. And this is what we have, you guys. 13x7 frontal is what you get. You get that HD lace, of course. You get those baby hairs, as you can very well see. Those baby hairs, and they're kind of long, so you may want to trim them. You get your ear combs. You get an adjustable wig band in the inside. And that's already pre-attached. You get your nape and neck comb, and of course you get those adjustable straps. And she is a curly unit. Looks to be about 32 inches long when stretched out. Probably a little longer than that. But look at that color. Very, very fall friendly. Very, very winter friendly on top of that, you know. But like I said, you can always wear your units when you want to wear your units. I ain't gonna let nobody tell you when to wear your hair. But anyway, there you go. That's what you got. And she is a stretchy mesh cap. She is not a ventilated weft cap. She's a stretchy mesh cap is what she is, all right? And that's pretty much it for the specs on this cap. I'll be right back with you with the wig on my head. Hello you guys, and I'm back and I'm done styling this unit. And this is Ivy from Main Concept or Red Carpet, the 13x7 Limitless HD unit. Is what it is in the color 99J. You guys, this is a very long unit. I know for a fact that this unit is over 30 inches long, you guys. And when you stretch it out, I don't know if you saw it in the overlay clips, this unit comes below my hips, okay? It's below my hips. As long as I can keep saying, if I want to sit on this hair, you guys, I can sit on this hair with no problem, all right? So if you're looking for some long curly hair, this is your hair, especially too for the price, because right now Ebony Line, from what I've seen today online, you can actually get this unit for $20 and some change. But if you use their online code, this unit is 17 bucks and some change. Okay, so if you're saving yourself some money, and like I said, it's a 13x7 lace frontal, ear-to-ear lace, 13x7 HD parting space. It also has 2 ear combs, nape and neck comb, adjustable straps, and it also has a adjustable wig band in the inside of it. Not to mention that this cap is very, very big. This is a mesh cap. This is not a ventilated cap. This is actually a mesh cap. Stretchy mesh cap is what it is. That's what you get. And you get baby hairs along with this unit as well. As you saw in the overlay clips, I trimmed them because they were kind of long. But fortunately, they're not that thick, so I didn't even pluck them. I just cut them, and then I just swooped them, as you very well saw in the clips. And so I'm going to go ahead on and just give you guys some brief poses of this unit from each view, left, right, side, and back. Toss the hair to the back and try to show it to you the best of my ability. This is a lots of hair. Lots of hair, you guys. I was not fibbing at all. And that is this unit, Miss Ivy from Red Carpet. Lots of hair. There's that HD lace. And my wig kept kind of slid back. Don't pay it no attention because it's not a tight one. But look at the lace. It's actually pretty good lace, and I just used my Milani makeup on the outside of the lace. I did not go underneath the lace. But I'm going to show you the lace again that I cut off because I did not cut that on camera. I actually cut it off camera, but that's what you get, that HD lace. And you can take the liberty of doing it underneath, sending your lace underneath and on top if you like, but I just did it on the top for sake of this review. You guys, as you can see right now, I have styled this unit in a top knot bun, but she is a very, very, very nice unit to me, in my opinion, in an updo, a bunded knot is what I like this unit for, because it is a lot of hair, even though it has the layers in it. It does have layers, not a lot of layers, but some layers, and they are long, okay, just like this unit. So let's go ahead on and finish this video. But that is pretty much it and all I have to say about Miss Ivy. If you're looking for some long, long curly hair for the cool months, this is your go-to. And for the price, it definitely is something to think about. And I know, right? For all those who are out there watching, please don't forget to hit that notification bell, you guys, so you can know what's going on here at Necessary Necessities. Until next time, you guys, bye for now.